Hello, how to solve this? We have square root of t divided by t equals square root of 7. We are solving for values of t that satisfy this equation. We are going to consider two different methods. So let's start with the first one here. This can be over 1. We can cross multiply. Square root of t times 1. This is square root of t, and this equals t times root 7. We have t root 7. From here, we can decide to eliminate the square root. We take the squares of both parts of this equation. If you have square root of x raised to the power of 2, this equals x because this cancels this. So this definitely cancels this. We have t equals, for this, if you have a times b, power c equals a power c times b power c. So this will give us t power 2 times square root of 7 to the power of 2. So from here you have t equals, this is t power 2 times this, cancel this. You have 7. We have t equals 7 times t squared. This is 7t squared. Now you can also solve this as, this is divided by t. This is divided by t. T cancel t. You have 1. And this equals 7t because t cancel one of this t. So you can rearrange this and have 7t equals 1. Divide this by 7. Divide this by 7. From here, 7 cancels 7. You have t equals 1 over 7. Now, this is one way of solving it. I can also decide to solve this in another way. I have t equals t squared times 7. 7t squared. I can decide to move t over here. I have 0 equals 7t squared minus t. From here, I can simply have this as 7t squared minus t equals 0. So I can decide to factor out t. I can have t times this divided by t. I have 7t minus this divided by t. I have 1, this equals 0. So from here you have t, you can equate of this to 0, t equals 0. And also have 7t minus 1 equals 0. So this is solved already. For this, I can easily move this over here. I have 7t equals 1, moving negative 1 over here. From here, divide this by 7. Divide this by 7. 7 cancels 7. I have t equals 1 over 7. So in this other method, I'm having two values for t, which is 0 and 1 over 7. So that is one way of solving this radical problem. Let's solve this using a different method. I have square root of t divided by t equals square root of 7. So I can easily have, remember, square root of x is the same thing as x power 1 over 2. So square root of t will simply give me t power 1 over 2 divided by t equals square root of 7. Now, this is to the power of 1. You have a power n divided by a power m equals a power n minus m. Apply this right here. I will simply have t power 1 over 2 minus 1. Then this equals square root of 7. So what is 1 over 2 minus 1? We have 1 over 2 minus 1, divided by 1, LCM, that is 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 times 1, we have 1 minus 2 divided by 1, 2. 2 times 2. 2 times 1, that is 2. 1 minus 2, negative 1 over 2. Of t power negative 1 over 2 equals square root of 7. Now to solve for t, I can decide to square the both part of this equation as t power negative 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 equals square root of 7 raised to the power of 2. From here, if a power n raised to the power of m equals a power n times m. So we are going to multiply this out. So we'll simply have t power negative 1 over 2 times 2. This is negative 2 over 2, and this equals this. We'll cancel this, that is 7. Negative 2 over 2 is negative 1. I have t power negative 1 equals 7. If you have a power negative 1, this equals 1 over a. So t power negative 1 is the same thing as 1 over t. And this equals 7. So d over 1, let's solve for t, cross multiply. T times 7. 7t equals 1 times 1. That is 1. From here, we divide this by 7. We divide this by 7. 7 cancels 7. T equals 1 over 7. So in this other method, we are having 1 over 7. The first method, we have 1 over 7 and also 0. So all these are the solutions that we are going to test their credibility. So let's copy out the question, which is square root of t divided by t equals square root of 7. We have two solutions. T equals 0. T equals 1 over 7. Let's start with when t equals 0. We are simply going to have square root of 0 divided by 0. This equals square root of 7. Square root of 0 is 0 divided by 0. Is this equals square root of 7? 0 divided by 0 is undefined. And that is not root 7. So we cancel that. Let's consider when t equals 1 over 7. So what we are going to have is, remember, square root of t divided by t equals square root of 7. So we simply have square root of 1 divided by 7 divided by 1 divided by 7 will give us square root of 7. Now, if you have square root of a divided by, or square root of a divided by b, this equals square root of a divided by square root of b. So meaning this will give us square root of 1 divided by square root of 7. And this is divided by 1 over 7. Would this give us square root of 7? Now, if you have a divided by b divided by c divided by d, this equals a divided by b times d divided by c. This is my a, b, c, d. So this will give us root 1 divided by root 7 times 7 divided by 1. Would this give us root 7? So what is square root of 1? Square root of 1 is 1, so you have 1 divided by root 7 times 7 divided by 1 equals root 7. From here we have 7 times 1, that is 7 divided by root 7. is this equals root 7. We can rationalize this denominator by having 7 divided by root 7 times root 7 divided by root 7 is equals root 7. 7 times root 7, this is 7 root 7 divided by root 7 times root 7, this is root 49 equals root 7. From here we have 7 root 7 divided by root 49 is 7 equals root 7. From here this cancels this. We have square root of 7 equals square root of 7. Left hand side equals right hand side. So guys, that is our solution and has satisfied the equation. So what do we actually do? We made use of two different methods. The first method was to cross multiply. Then we eliminate this square root by taking the squares of both part of this equation. At this point, we can easily solve it using two methods by dividing by t or by moving this t across this equality sign, and we have an equation. If you have a quadratic equation, you are going to have solution. So that two solutions, that was why we had two solutions which are 0 and 1 over 7. But if you just divide it, you are going to have 1 over 7. Now in the second approach, we started by considering this identity. If you have square root of a, that is the same thing as a power 1 over 2. So square root of t is the same thing as t power 1 over 2. We have it here. We consider this identity. Because the t here is raised to the power of 1, consider this identity, and we have this 1 over 2 minus 1, we have negative 1 over 2, which is here. We take the squares of both part of this equation, then we have t power negative 1 equals 7. From here, we divide by t, we cross multiply, then we have 7t equals 1, we divide by 7 to have our t. So those are the two major methods we used, and we also inserted those values for t, and they all satisfied. Only one of them satisfied the equation, which is 1 over 7. So the real solution, the actual solution here is 1 over 7, not 0. It's only 1 over 7 that satisfies this equation, this one here. So guys, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.